Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dash cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Vantrue N2 Pro Dual Dash Cam. The Vantrue N2 Pro is a professional taxi dash camera that offers simultaneous front and cabin/rear recording. However, what makes it a real standout is the exceptional resolution on both front and interior-facing cameras. To specify, the front camera boasts an advanced OV4689 sensor and capability of recording at 2560x1440p at 30 fps and 1920x1080p at 60 fps. The rear cabin camera is fitted with a Sony Exmor IMX323 sensor and can capture videos in 1920x1080p resolution at 30 fps. What's more, both cameras have an extra wide-angle lens, 170 degrees angle for the front car camera and 140 degrees for the inside car camera. The latter is also capable of rotating 80 degrees in any direction to capture moments outside the vehicle. On top of that, both cameras can be set to record audio as well. Moving on at number 4, we have the Nexar Beam GPS Dash Cam. Dash camera. Your car cam doesn't have to stick out and be bulky, but it has to be reliable and record high-quality video. Nexar GPS Dash Cam is everything described above, and here's why. First off, this cam is the most compact one from the manufacturer. When you put it behind your rearview mirror, you won't be noticing it at all. Yes, it's that small, but this doesn't mean it compromises on quality. Nexar records 1080p Full HD video in 135 degrees with crystal clear picture quality. It's so good you can actually read license plates from around 10 feet away. Forget all about the dull and blurry vids from older cams. This one is exactly what you need. At number 3, we have the Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. 4K UHD 2160p car camera. Rove Dash Cam can do this effortlessly and capture every small detail of your trip. Get ready for crystal clear cam vids, daily or nightly. Rove doesn't compromise on quality and delivers exceptional results. If you need a license plate of a car driving at some distance, be sure that this dash cam will do everything possible to capture it for you. As for the nighttime driving, Rove is equipped with the innovative Super Night Vision technology. The 150 degrees wide angle captures maximum light, which is then processed by a Sony sensor for even better picture quality. Yes, the after dark footage will be somewhat grainy, but still detailed enough. Also, such light sources as headlights or streetlights won't be dimming the video. At number 2, we have the CHORTAU BT13 Dash Cam. Need to cover your road trip front and rear? Try CHORTAU Dual Dash Cam and be impressed with high-quality footage along with other useful features. The front camera of the CHORTAU set is 170 degrees 1080p Full HD, providing a crisp and clear view of the road. No grainy, muddled footage. The picture quality is excellent. The rear camera is 130 degrees and waterproof. If something happens on the road behind you, rest assured that it won't go unnoticed. All videos from both cams are stored together on the SD card. The rear camera comes with 4 LED lights to put the space behind your car in focus. While the definition is not great here, the additional lighting will help deliver better footage. Don't be afraid of placing the cam outside the car. It fears no rain with the reliable waterproof design. And finally, at number 1, we have the Biuone A20 Dash Cam. Haven't tried dual dash cams before? Biuone has something interesting to offer. This model helps you keep track of everything happening on the road, and does it in 1080p Full HD, daytime or nighttime. Let's start with the fact that this dual wide-angle cam can record the front and rear view of your car. Now, if an accident takes place behind you, there will be relevant footage for insurance claims. Equipped with the Sony sensor, both cams deliver 30 fps vids /12 MP pictures. You can also switch between the 4 display modes, combining the images from two cams or viewing them separately. Biuone is so compact that you can hide it behind the rearview mirror and never even notice it's there. Ideal for drivers that don't want to show off their cams or spoil an impeccable car interior. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.